What's up, guys? We're here live in the hobby house. We are doing the razz for the tuch Future Watch Auto. We're gonna go live. We are live at 4:27 p.m. It just turned 4:28 here in Denver. So we're gonna go and grab this list. We got Jason on top and Jason on the bottom. We're gonna get a fresh list. Jason on top, Jason on the bottom. Good luck, guys. We're going 3 times. 1, 2. Simon on top after 2. That timestamp is in at 4:28. It is 4:28. Guys, third and final random. Good luck, everybody. Jason, spot 10. Congrats, dude. And that timestamp is in at 4:28. It just turned 4:29. Again, Jason, spot 10. 3 times. Congrats.